Buongiorno paesani, siete pronti per un'altra parola cataloghiza? Are you ready for another Sicilian word? Today's word that I chose is vutari or firriari. What does it mean? It means to turn. In Italian we say girare. Let's put in a sentence. Votati trabanna, firriati trabanna. It means turn to the other side or turn towards the other side. In Italian we say girati dall'altro lato. So that's how you use it. That's the word. Girare, firriari means the same thing in Sicilian and in Italian, as well as vutari. It means to turn. Have yourselves a beautiful day, and please don't forget to subscribe to Italiani di Montreal e Amici on YouTube so that we can reach our 1,000 subscribers. We are almost at 500, which is the midway point. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Share this video and encourage everyone you know to subscribe. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.